Welcome to Xstack AI. Let's build, scale, and optimize your cloud infrastructure today. If you are deploying web apps, APIs, or AI microservices today, you're likely overpaying for your cloud infrastructure. Most developers spin up a traditional virtual machine, configure a complex Kubernetes cluster, and then pay for idle servers sitting at 0% CPU utilization all night. That is a massive waste of capital. Welcome back to Xstacker today. We are diving deep into Google Cloud Run, the fully managed serverless platform that allows you to deploy containerized applications in seconds, scales automatically from zero to thousands of instances, and charges you only for the exact milliseconds your code is executing. If you want a lean, highly profitable tech stack, you need to understand why Cloud Run is completely changing the architecture game for developers and cloud architects. To understand Cloud Run, you first need to understand the painful middle ground it fixes. On one hand, you have standard virtual machines, which give you full control but require manual maintenance, scaling configuration, and constant uptime costs. On the other hand, you have traditional serverless functions, which are highly restricted by execution time, memory limitations, and specific programming languages. Google Cloud Run smashes through these boundaries by combining the flexibility of containers with the effortless scaling of serverless architecture. If you can pack your application into a Docker container, whether it's written in Python, Node.js, Go, Java, or Rust, Cloud Run can run it. You do not have to provision servers. You do not have to configure Kubernetes clusters. You simply hand Google your container image and they handle the rest. Let's look at the actual architecture under the hood and why it makes perfect financial sense for your business. Cloud Run is built on Knative, an open source Kubernetes framework, but Google abstracts all the complexity away from you. The most powerful feature here is true scale to zero. Imagine your app gets a massive spike in traffic at noon. Cloud Run instantly spins up multiple copies of your container to handle the load within milliseconds. But what happens at 2 in the morning when nobody is using your app? Cloud Run scales your container instances all the way down to absolute zero. Because Google bills you using a pay as you go model measured in milliseconds, when your traffic hits zero, your bill hits zero. You are no longer paying for idle compute power. For startups and enterprise microservices alike, this single feature can slash your monthly cloud bill by over 70% compared to traditional cloud server environments. Now, let's talk about a major development that elevates Cloud Run above standard serverless tools, especially for the AI founders watching this channel. Historically, serverless platforms couldn't handle heavy machine learning or generative AI workloads because they lacked the proper hardware access. Google completely eliminated that limitation.